Welcome. This is a presentation on FlipBin, a simple yet powerful innovation designed to solve one of the most persistent and messy problems in urban and semi-urban India: effective waste segregation. Every day, in millions of homes, schools, and small businesses across our nation, we generate two fundamental types of waste: dry waste and wet waste. And every day, the well-intentioned goal of keeping them separate often falls apart. Why? The primary reason is the requirement for two separate dustbins. Think about your own home, or a small shop, or a school kitchen. Keeping two bins is inherently difficult. We're talking about a lack of space in compact kitchens and small rooms. Two bins are inconvenient. They trip you up, they clutter the floor, and they simply take up too much precious real estate. Beyond the physical inconvenience, there's the human factor, the confusion. People often forget which bin is for dry and which is for wet. Is this plastic wrapper dry or wet? Does the used tea bag go here or there? This confusion is amplified when you involve children, elderly family members, or staff in a busy office pantry. Managing multiple containers becomes a cognitive burden, and when things are inconvenient or confusing, we naturally default to the path of least resistance: mixing the waste. This is more than just a minor inconvenience. This simple act of mixing waste is a major contributor to hygiene problems. Wet waste, food scraps, peels, used tea leaves, begins to decompose quickly, especially in our climate. When mixed with dry, recyclable materials like paper and plastic, it contaminates them, rendering them non-recyclable. These mixed waste bins often have poor, open designs, leading to quick overflow, the spread of foul odors, and attracting insects and rodents. Ultimately, this single problem at the source, the lack of simple, user-friendly segregation, creates a massive national-level challenge: improper waste segregation at the source, making municipal recycling and composting efforts incredibly difficult and expensive. Increased landfill waste, as valuable resources that could have been recycled are now contaminated and dumped. A direct challenge to the vision of a Swachh Bharat, a clean India. This problem is faced by households with limited kitchen space, schools, and small offices managing multiple users, apartment complexes, and paying guest accommodations with shared facilities, and even street vendors and local food stalls that generate a high volume of mixed waste. The dual bin dilemma is real. It's a logistical, psychological, and environmental hurdle that has prevented us from truly achieving clean at source waste management.
The solution must be as simple as the problem is complex. It must be a single item that effortlessly accomplishes the task of two. We introduce the FlipBin. FlipBin is a two-in-one, dual-chamber dustbin that makes segregation completely effortless. It is a single, compact body that manages both dry and wet waste, separately, cleanly, and clearly. The core concept: a single body, dual purpose. Imagine a sleek, vertical bin. This bin is divided horizontally into two distinct compartments of equal size. The top side is designated, perhaps in a universally recognized blue color, for dry waste. This is for plastic, paper, metal, and glass. The bottom side is designated in green for wet waste. This is for all organic matter: food scraps, fruit peels, and garden clippings. The revolutionary feature of the FlipBin is its central rotating hinge. This hinge runs through the exact center of the unit, allowing the user to simply flip the entire bin 180 degrees. When the dry waste side gets full, or when the user wants to dispose of wet waste, they simply flip the bin. As one side rotates down to the bottom, the opposite side rotates up and is instantly ready for use. This simple, intuitive, physical action instantly removes the need for two separate bins. It removes the confusion, and it saves space, all in one smooth motion. The explanation of the FlipBin's mechanism. Let's dive deeper into how the FlipBin is engineered for hygiene and usability. 1. The 180-degree FlipBin locking system. The core functionality relies on a robust central hinge. Crucially, the moment the bin completes its 180-degree flip, the side now facing the floor, which is usually the heavier wet waste side, automatically locks. This prevents any accidental spillage or rotation back, ensuring stability and cleanliness. 2. Airtight sealing for hygiene. The biggest concern with wet waste is odor and the attraction of insects. Both compartments are designed with push-button or foot pedal-operated lids. More importantly, both lids incorporate a high-quality rubber sealing mechanism. When closed, the seal is airtight, preventing the foul odor from the wet waste compartment from mixing with the ambient air and stopping flies or other insects from getting in. This simple feature drastically improves the hygiene of the kitchen or office area. 3. Color coding and clarity. We use the globally accepted standard for waste: blue for dry, green for wet. This color cue is a powerful psychological prompt that reinforces correct segregation habits immediately and subconsciously, making it easy for anyone, including children, to use the bin correctly. 4. Optimized for cleaning and disposal. The wet waste side is designed with a small drain cap at the bottom. This allows for the easy draining of any excess liquid, or leachate, which is the main source of odor and mess. Cleaning the wet side becomes much easier and more hygienic when liquids can be drained off before washing. Both chambers are designed to perfectly fit standard bin liners for hassle-free removal.
The FlipBin is more than just a dustbin. It is a tool for positive change, a practical, everyday product that aligns perfectly with our national goals. How it helps: the user-level benefits. The advantages for the end user are clear and immediate. Massive space saving. 2 large, bulky bins are replaced by one compact, elegant design. This is essential for the space-constrained homes and businesses that make up the majority of our market. Encourages segregation. The bin mandates segregation. The clear color cues in the distinct chambers make it the easiest way to comply with segregation rules, transforming a confusing chore into a simple, 2-step process. Improves hygiene and aesthetics. The airtight lids immediately prevent smell and keep the surrounding area clean, eliminating the visual clutter and unhygienic conditions often associated with multiple, overflowing bins. Saves time and effort. No more confusion about which bin is which, no more double handling of waste, and simpler cleaning due to the wet waste drain cap. The national impact. A triple win for India. The FlipBin concept offers a powerful triple win scenario: a win for the consumer, a win for the environment, and a win for the economy. 1. Environmental win, promoting Swachh Bharat and life. By achieving near-perfect source segregation, the FlipBin directly reduces the amount of contaminated mixed waste going to landfills. When waste is separated at home, it significantly boosts the efficiency of municipal composting and recycling programs. This aligns directly with the goals of the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan by promoting cleanliness and proper solid waste management. It also supports the lifestyle for environment, mission by making a sustainable, eco-friendly lifestyle choice simple and accessible to every citizen. Second economic win, supports Atmanirbhar Bharat. The FlipBin is specifically designed to be easily manufactured locally. Its components, the plastic or metal body, the hinge, and the seals, can be sourced and assembled by local plastic fabricators or metal artisans. By promoting this kind of accessible local manufacturing, we are empowering small-scale industries and creating jobs, directly supporting the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat, or self-reliant India. This isn't just importing a solution, it's building one in India for India. Third innovation. Win. Boosting eco-friendly design. The FlipBin represents a step forward in eco-friendly and thoughtful product design. It shows that simple mechanical innovation can solve complex behavioral challenges. It's a clear, tangible symbol of an India that is serious about solving its waste problem through smart, user-centric solutions.
The FlipBin. 1 unit, 2 sides. Zero confusion. It's the next evolution in clean living. Thank you.